Yo, what is good people? Ben from Lover of Tech, and we are back with another video. And again, it's of an unboxing, and it's of finally the Galaxy S22. Yes, the 6.1 inch version of the Galaxy S22, and a big thank you to Vodafone UK for supplying it. And also, we're actually gonna finally get to showcase Encased's lineup of cases and also screen protector for the Galaxy S22, as I didn't have it before and I've been using the S22 Ultra and S22 Plus. Let's not waste much time. Let's just get into it, man. So this is the Galaxy S22. Let's just check around and see which one we have here. We've got the pink gold, 128 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes of storage, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, dual nano SIM. Yep, pretty much standard affairs. And this is in the pink gold color. Very familiar with this color because again, it's the same color I've been using for the S22 Plus. Let's get it open. Oh, this is it right here. Now put this to the side quickly, and we know how unboxings with these devices go. Very anemic, not really much action nowadays when it comes to what you get with it. USB-C to C cable, couple of booklets in there, of course, and then the SIM ejector tool, which we'll put on the side. And this is the pink gold. I actually really like this color. It's the pink gold. Let's peel it off. Nice. Stick it off. And then the screen protector off as well. Now, it doesn't come with a pre-applied screen protector. So the tampered MagGlass from Encased, again, not sponsored, just appreciate them sending it out, but didn't have this device. So now that I've got it, I can pretty much near enough showcase it. We'll put this on after as we showcase the phones, the cases with it as well. I really like the size. But yeah, this is it pretty much. Exynos 2200 model, since I'm based in the UK. 12 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel main, and then the 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom. You've got the power button, you've got the volume rocker. Still always wish that they were on opposite sides, symmetrical, but it being a smaller device is much easier to handle all on one side. And then obviously you've got the microphone, speaker, and SIM ejector tray. And you've got the selfie at the top with the very slim speaker grill there as well, which is really good to see. Okay, let's power this on. Ooh, Galaxy S22, finally. Just a quick comparison that, as you can see, we finally have the trio, all three. So we've got the S22 Ultra, S22 Plus, S22. All together, one big happy family of the Galaxy S22 series. So I'm not expecting major differences. You know, this should feel right at home to my experience with the Galaxy S22 Plus. But the main thing is to really just test the battery, right? It's to test the battery and see pretty much how does this smaller 3,700 milliamp hour battery hold up. That is literally the main thing. That is literally the main thing. But we're gonna set it up quickly, get into the home screen, and then we'll pretty much be right back. All right, so we are in the phone home screen. Let's just change a couple of things. If we go to display and then change the time off, and we're gonna change the navigation as well, dark mode, do light mode. You've got the extra brightness toggle if you need it, which is great. Adaptive, it is on 120 Hertz out of the box, which is nice, but this is a 1080p only display. Navigation bar, swipe gestures, and more options. Keep it this way. Yeah, well, I guess we'll keep it, yeah, low, which is fine. And then we're just gonna set up the fingerprint sensor quickly, biometric, add fingerprints, move the password away quickly. And then we're gonna do that. And it should be great. I mean, the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor generation 2 is fantastic. Adjust, 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 adjust. Okay, gonna add another one. And it's basically both thumbs. Ooh, adjust again. Always forget to adjust. Okay, so done for now. And yeah, look, you're all too familiar with it. I've done many impressions videos and whatnot, but I love the size. I do love the size of it. You can really see that you can feel the size difference for sure. You can feel the size difference. It's really, really nice. I do like it. Look, pretty much, I don't expect much to be different to the S22 Plus. I really just want to see how the battery holds up and just the feel of it when using it in a smaller package. But yeah, this is the S22. So let's put this down for now. Then we're going to bring back the cases and also the screen protector and pretty much check them out. All right, so channeling my inner technically T, these are some of the case lineups from Encased. Shout out to them for sending it in the past, but obviously now I've got the S22, I can pretty much showcase them. You've got their Rebel series and also their thin Armour as well, from what I believe. And we're pretty much just gonna quick fire through them and check them out. So put these to the side for now and pop this one out. And yeah, this is their Rebel series impact dispersion system. And this is purple color, interesting feel. I'm just gonna pop it in there quickly. Nice. Create set separate buttons. We've got a power button, which is nice and clicky. Looks a bit weird-ish, like there's a gap, but I would have liked it to feel a bit tighter in there, in my opinion. Good cutouts and depth for the port, the speaker, and obviously as well as the microphone that's in there. Good raised lipped as well. The lay on the table protection is really, really good in that sense. It's actually a really, really nice ridge. And yeah, this is the purple color. Next up is, I believe, their Falcon series. Okay, let's look into it. Yep, this is the Falcon series and it says exceeds military standards. All right, I think this one is one where you have to break it up into two because it's a tough quickie to put on. We go this way. Wow, okay, interesting. And then you put it on. Whew. Yeah, this is a tank. This is like, you ain't caring about feeling the aesthetics of your film. You just want to protect it through and through all the way. Still not too sure about the gap that's there. I guess it's needed. But yeah, this is the Encased Falcon series. 2-piece, clicky buttons. And you've even got a cover for the charging port, USB-C charging port and transfer port. Obviously you've got the speaker. Don't know how that will affect microphone quality. Yeah, that's very, very interesting. Very, very large ridge there. Learn the taper protection is excellent. Feels beastly. Makes it literally feel like the same size as the S22 Plus with the case. That's crazy. That is crazy. But yeah, interesting. That is the Falcon series. Next is the Rebel series, I believe. Again, this is in the black color. Yeah, so pretty much just a quick one to show how the black one looks like. Interesting. Yep, I like this one. This one is actually really nice. Pretty much the same feel, power button, volume. Yeah, honestly, not wasting much time on it. Really clean, nice. Last but not least on the case lineup is the thin Armour, I believe. This probably might be the one that I'll rock with it. It's not necessarily for absolute maximum protection, but to kind of enjoy the feel of your Galaxy device. Yep. Yeah, definitely thin armor. Now, it doesn't feel like it protects the camera that much, the rear camera bump that much. So just be warned in that sense. But this is really if you want to, still got a good ridge though. And the lay on the table protection is decent. It's still all right. It's not bad. And then obviously you've got the power button, volume up and down. Yeah, I'm very familiar with this design as well. It's interesting. Yeah, this is probably the one I'll be keeping on there. That is thin armor. Now for the screen protector. This is the MagGlass tampered screen guard from Encased. And obviously what's good about the S22 and S22 Plus is the fact that it's a flat display, so it's much easier to deal with. We're going to test it and see how well it works with the fingerprint sensor, since obviously this doesn't come with the plastic pre-applied screen protector anymore. Compared with the S22, it comes with the lens guard as well, which is very interesting. UHD clarity, 4K clarity, whatever that means. Easy installation, scratch resistant. Okay, let's pretty much pop this open, I guess, and we might time lapse this bit in terms of the installation, and you can pretty much make judgment for yourself, and we can test it. Okay. Okay, screen protector applied. Now, the application process is quite simple, but I did have to kind of take off and realign it. So great idea, but the alignment was still off. And then a few things to recommend. When you actually put the screen protector on, which is pretty much very simple and straightforward, you definitely got to go to the display and increase the touch sensitivity as well to really help it. And then if you've registered your fingerprints already, definitely register those fingerprints again to really help it, or else it does initially struggle. But you can see once it's done, it's just, you know, super fast, as you would expect the ultrasonic generation 2 fingerprint sensor to be, which is really great to see. This is a great compact package, and yeah, simple as. Watch out for, again, impressions, review, and all the things needed with the Galaxy S22 here. And again, a big thank you to Vodafone UK. Links in the description below for all the latest deals you can get on the S22 on Vodafone UK. And also thank you to Encased for the accessories as well. That's it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.